Hello everyone, today we're diving into the features of the tomtoc compact laptop backpack, a sleek and professional choice for those on the go. Designed to accommodate a 15.6-inch computer with ease. This 18-liter backpack is perfect for your daily commute, offering a stylish yet compact design with dimensions of 16.53 by 11.42 by 7.08 inches. Thoughtful pocket distribution includes two small zipper pockets in the front for slim items, a main compartment with a rear sleeve, and a zipped mesh pocket, ideal for flat items. The ultra-padded laptop compartment provides massive protection, with soft lining and foam padding on the bottom and sides to shield your laptop from bumps and scratches. Comfort is key with this backpack, featuring a breathable back panel and padded shoulder straps that can be conveniently stored in the back pocket when not in use. Crafted from durable, splash-proof polyester fabric, this backpack boasts reliable YKK zippers and buckles for excellent durability. Whether you're heading to work or traveling, the tomtoc compact laptop backpack ensures your essentials are organized and protected in style. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.